Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we would like to write a program that takes two lists and prints their common elements. We learned that using AND operator in sets, we can find the common elements. So here is my list 1 and list 2. List 1 has 3 elements, 1, 2, 3. List 2 has 3 elements, 2, 3, and 4. So first of all, we need to convert them to sets. To convert them to sets, I'm having the set keyword, and in parentheses, I type down the name of the first list and then the name of the second list. And here between them, I'm having the AND operator because we learned that AND operator in sets can help us to find the common elements. So set in parentheses list 1 and set in parentheses list 2, it is assigned to another set that is called common elements, and we are printing out the common elements. So when I run, I see number 2 and 3. Why 2 and 3? Because 1 is not shared between these two, 4 is not shared between these two, so number 4 is not common. It's not a common element, and number 2 is shared and number 3 is shared. So these two numbers are the only numbers that are common elements between these two lists. So it is going to help us to find it. So now we are having two lists that we would like to find their common elements. The first thing is to think of sets, because it was one of the features of the set that they could give us the common elements among two sets. And then after converting them to sets, we can use the AND operator to find the common elements and assign them to a new set, and then we are printing out the new set in the output. Thank you for watching.